Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Binance US to a debit card. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Binance US to a debit card, start by logging into your Binance US account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section on the home page. In the wallet section, select Fiat and Spot. Next, locate the Withdraw button and click on it. In the withdrawal options, choose debit card for your withdrawal method. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the designated field. After entering the amount, you may see a preview of the transaction fees. Review this information to ensure you are comfortable with the fees. Click on Continue to proceed with the withdrawal. If prompted, choose your linked debit card from the list. If you haven't linked a debit card yet, click on Add New Card and follow the instructions provided. Verify the details of your withdrawal carefully. Once confirmed, click on Withdraw to finalize the process. You may receive an email or app notification to confirm your request. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions from Binance. Your funds should arrive in your debit card account shortly. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days depending on various factors. Make sure to check your account statement to confirm that the transfer has been processed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.